Yabona le season, Utobile is not here to play with us. And I feel like this season, Utobile is showing her true colors. The other seasons, I felt like she was just like a walkover in a sense that she always just wanted to be happy as Tulele. Like most of the time, Itramo Tobile, like she'd get out of it drama. She'd always want to make sure Uguti like she's trying to bring the solutions in the family. But this time around, this episode, Utobile was like, nope, I'm not doing that. She called Umayeni delusional, but you know what? Many people were like coming out for Utobile saying Uguti she's wrong for calling her sister wife Umayeni delusional. But guys, when we come and think about it, Umayeni, all of these things that she's saying people did to her, where are the files, ma'am? Yes, siyakuthanda mayeni kodwa apha mafile. Like she talks in parables. She doesn't really like give us the meat, give us the tea ukuthi usibanisibani uwenzeni, so that we are able to pick our sides. Because right now Umayeni is like it's not looking good for her. But you know what? I'm happy that Utobile is like finally standing up for herself in a sense that, you know, in this episode she actually even speaks about how she feels like her marriage. She asked Umacelo ukuthi like does she even recognize umshado wakhe no Musa, because like the way Macelo would speak of sometimes of the other wives' marriage would almost be as if in her eyes the other's marriage is not valid in her eyes, you know. So sometimes in the past seasons I felt like maybe Tobile like uyazincengela, and maybe there's Ngengela, but now she's just seeing Uti like no, like I'm not doing that anymore. So Tobile's the real colors are like coming out, and I feel like every season these wives are coming out and showing their true colors and showing Uti like they're not a happy family as season one, as they portrayed season one to be. But you know what? I'd prefer a person showing their real colors, guys. Show your real colors so that we love you for you, so that we're not loving you for someone you are not. Tell me, what do you think of Tobile? Other people are like, Tobile, like, stay out of people's business. And I agree. And I agree she should stay out of people's businesses, but she should talk up for herself. She should talk up for herself and not let other people or people like Umacele like speak, you know, like speak lowly of her marriage or like just sideline her. Ingati like, you know, no. Like the video before you get out of it, and please subscribe. It is for free of charge.